What's up, guys? It's Silver Seeker, and inside this box right here, guys, is some awesome 35th anniversary 1 ounce silver Back to the Future coins. Now, I know you don't want to watch me open this box for the next 2 minutes, so let's do a quick unboxing montage and then get to the coin. Well, everyone, I'm not gonna lie. I expected these to be in 2 tubes, not 3 packages full of individual holders. So we will have to count these. There's supposed to be 50 of them. But let's go ahead and take a look at the coin because, guys, I'm telling you, I saw these on the internet and wow, in person, they're even more beautiful. Take a look at that, guys. Now, if you notice, this capsule is actually pretty darn scratched up. Flip it over to the reverse, you can see the capsule is really scratched up. So we're gonna go ahead and open one of these up. And I imagine the capsule scratched up because they're in all these individual packages. That is not what I expected. Normally these things come in tubes. So we're just gonna gently get in between here and kind of pry this open just enough that you can get your fingers in there. Go around the edge, and here we go. So let's be gentle, not to damage the coin. Oh, guys, look at that. Back to the Future 35. UCS LLC and Amblin, 1 ounce of 99 pure silver. And then look at the bottom, guys. You have 1585, 55. So 1985, 1955. You have 88 miles per hour. I don't see anything for 1.21 gigawatts. I see the numbers all over the place like they're just random. I assume that's something with time travel. You can see the lightning in the top. You see the DeLorean right there with the wing open, or the door open, if you will. You can see the exhaust in the back. This is really, really cool. Too bad you can't really see the flux capacitor in the back. But flipping it over to the reverse, guys, of course, it's 2020 Elizabeth II Nui, $2. So this is a real, legal, tender coin. And man, that DeLorean, that thing is so cool. The dreams I used to have about owning a DeLorean when I was young. 35 years since this movie came out. It's hard to believe because, in my opinion, it's still one of the best movies and definitely one of the best series out there. Let's go ahead and quickly put this under the scope. We want to see if we can see anything of the flux capacitor in the background inside the car. I don't believe so based on this image, but let's do it anyway. Okay, guys, so we are zoomed in. Let's take a look inside. You can see the seat. You can see the GMC. You can see some of the stuff in the background, but unfortunately just not enough detail for the flux capacitor. Either way, everyone, an absolutely gorgeous coin, gorgeous design, and I am so glad I was able to share this unboxing with you. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, do me a favor before you go, make sure you like and subscribe. It really helps me out, and we will see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching the video, guys. I just want to quickly give a huge shout out to my awesome channel members. It's support like yours that make these videos possible. So once again, thank you. Guys, I left the video over there. If you haven't seen it yet, make sure you go and check that one out as well. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, I'd appreciate a sub if you liked the content. Otherwise, thank you again, and we will see you next time.